Alright, this is the final run I need. Last piece. 20th run. Top 4, which is all but guaranteed. I'd have to troll so bad. "99% are Japanese." Well, see, they're not Japanese, they run on Japanese. So for chapter 1, it's way faster, and by that I mean 13 seconds faster to play on Japanese. This is because it has to show less text. So for unskippable text, it's way better to play on Japanese. So basically, playing in Japanese is just 13 seconds better. So, you know, whenever you've played the run enough times to know what all the things you need to press are, there's no real reason to play on English anymore. I mean, it's not like you're reading the text, right? Alright, so as long as I don't run into like 3 encounters that I shouldn't, this should be fine. Alright, yeah, so I need to remember the muscle memory for chapter 1. I don't know if I take this too seriously, if I make a speedrun. I might play on English, I guess. Expect to appear on the list or anything. Yeah, I mean, that's fine. Playing speedrunning casually is perfectly fine. Yeah. Running on English only loses 13 seconds, so... if you talk to the bed at the beginning of the game, you'll skip directly into the Dark World. But only if you've completed the game before. You have what's called completion data. It felt so weird not splitting there. If you don't have a save file with completion data, you can download one from the speedrun.com website. In resources, I believe. They have a list of chapter 1 save files. Or you can just complete the game, right? Live split is the timer. Return Lancer. Very nice. And most speedrunners use live split. It's very customizable. You can also just work as just a timer. Don't have any of the, don't care about any of the fancy stuff. Old-fashioned 434. I can't quite write it down, but it's live as in live, and then split as in to split something in half. Can't quite do it while I'm playing, unfortunately. Live as in live? Does not make a lot of sense. Oh, I can do it during this cutscene. Let the fanfare start, and I can do it with my phone. There you go. You can see the timer, or only the chat can? Well, I can see the timer on my screen because I have it show above my game. I only have one monitor and I play in full screen. But yeah, I can also see it. I mean, you can also make it so that only you can see it, if you want. But the game is 4x3. It's like basically a square. So there's a bunch of empty space on the sides, which is what I use to fill it up with the splits. So you have chat, the game, and the timer on the same screen. So I have the game and the splits on one screen. Or the timer, alright? But then I have my phone is how I look at chat. So that I can have it all on one screen. I should have practiced that before I did it, but I didn't, and I'm still a god, so don't care. I mean, you don't have to stream it as well, by the way. You can record it locally. It takes a lot less power. But the game does not take a whole lot to run. It's quite light. Dude, this checkerboard is kind of crazy. What the heck? If Susie dies, this is like an insane checkerboard. You can have live split and Streamlabs at the same time? Yeah. Oh, that was time loss for no reason. Oh, Susie even did die. It wasn't first turn, so he didn't say maximum time, but... going to buy a revivement. I mean, not buy a revivement, I wish. I'm going to get the revivement and then buy an amber card so that I can take the iron shackle for Chris. Oh, I got the clip. Didn't need to save after all. Oh, head-eye choose doesn't matter. It's any percent. Let's go. I was so used to I was like, oh, I need to choose flame head, and nope, does not matter. Don't care. Irrelevant. Let's go. This run is quite good, honestly. Like, it's abnormally good. Alright, the blocks are skipped. Now we just have, for difficult skips, we have Head Happy. That's about it. Should I go for 6 red? Be kind of funny, you know? Don't go for 6 red? You don't know what 6 red is. Why are you hating? Why are you booing me? I'm right. I swear to God, all these doubters. Oh my, that grazing. Seven red. The 6.5 red technology? Wait, no, I should definitely go for 6 red. What am I talking about? I forgot this is the new one. You just get like a billion TP for free, so you just do whatever you want. I will definitely 6 red. So you can do the 3 attacks with Dralsei. What does that mean? Sorry, that's actually, dude, what am I talking about? Okay, look, on the turn you can attack for the first time. You don't have to defend with Dralsei. So you lose like 4 frames to save time if you don't hit all the crits. Dude, I gotta change how many splits are on screen at one time, because this just does not look right. There's too many and they're too small. Whoops, I haven't gone down here in a while. Remember, I used to do it like that when I was in like the 27 range. Dude, this run is actually like really good, kinda. I'm not gonna lie. This is actually quite good. You know, Enhar, while you're here, dude, your king is too good. I don't understand. Your 2609 king is like... I actually don't understand. Going into king, you're 10 seconds ahead of me, and then after king, you're 18 seconds ahead. Like, what? I don't understand. How did you save 8 seconds on me in just king? You're actually a smurf. Uh, 34% turn 1, by the way? What is that? Ah, oh, ruined. The 100% dream. Well, that could have been a new Lancer Graze PB, but I trolled this second turn. I think my PB's 98? 96 or 98. I remember it was like mind-blowing. I was like, what? How is this even possible? Felt pretty weird not to split there. I need to add back the splits, because I took some away so that it would fit on one screen, but I don't really care about it fitting on one screen, so... Okay, I'm gonna equip the Iron Shackle in here. Looking good. Hardest puzzle in the game. Easiest skip in the game. XD. I told you. Dude, I'm 3 for 4. I'm actually a head happy skip machine. Holy shit. I didn't get the revivement. Well, let's just pray we have enough money. It's fine, guys. I'm not gonna have enough money. Yeah, I'm not gonna have enough money. I didn't buy the Amber card because I figured that I wouldn't be able to purchase anyway. Because I think you get around 150. So I think I wouldn't have been able to buy the Mecha Saber if I bought an Amber card there. This is terrible RNG. Missing that crit just does not matter. I saw you just posted a comment, but I can't really read it right now. Oh, that's above the timer and shows times? You go to edit? Oh no. You go to edit splits? You right click on it and then click edit splits. Yeah, I have to actually graze really well from now on because I messed up like a fool. Yeah, you right click on the splits and then click edit splits, and then you can add segments. So bad. This is gonna be kind of sketchy. Alright, we got it. How do you decide which part of the game the list segment starts and ends? You do it yourself. You click add. I forgot I was supposed to mash there. You click add segment, and then you just add in whatever you want. So for example, I want to split at chapter 1, so I click add segment below or above or whatever. And then I name it chapter 1, and then that's it. And then that's where you split now, and you decide where to split basically. You click the timer whenever you want. This time is really good, by the way. Like, this is actually so funny. This literally hit every skip. Like, how is this real? If I really wanted to do something, I would run this, and then I'd immediately run Well, I would just start running all chapters any percent glitched. So you click when the segment starts, or you decide it before the stream? That's kind of complicated. I'm not sure I understand. You click when the segment starts. Well, so when you click edit splits and then add segment. Oh no, you click the segment when you are finished with it. So chapter 1, so this segment that I'm currently on, I will press the space bar when it's done. And you decide which segments before stream. That's what I do. I do decide which splits I'm going to use before the timer. I mean, before I start streaming. Or I make it on the fly if it's a new category I haven't run before. Segment button is spacebar. It's whatever you want it to be. To change the hotkeys, you go to settings, you right click on it and you click settings. And then you can choose whatever you want to have the button be. Alright, so we close the game here. Alright. No more mashing. 2635 chapter 1 is actually hilarious though. I can't believe that. Okay, now just don't accidentally do a glitch. That would be like a complete tragedy. I actually almost got the FTP to do some actually crazy stuff. I want the most money possible, so I'm gonna attack here. But I don't think it's enough. I'll be able to check once I go into the shop, but... till then. Don't have anything guaranteed. I didn't check who got hit. I should check that. I should really look. No, I have to save. Even if it was Chris, but I have to save. It's actually too grief to not save. Deltarune, the timer stops when you last skip a dialogue. So in chapter 1, it stops when you go to bed? Yes. It's on the last action, which is text box for both of them. So as soon as the text box for the bed goes away, that's time. And time starts whenever you press yes on the main menu. Or whenever you press like the button. I think it's begin or start or something. But yeah, the button you press where the screen goes black. You can find a full set of rules on the speedrun.com website. I have to remember, like, where my splits are. I, like, made the names so cryptic. Alright, that's good movement there. Alright, well, you gotta just pray here. This is literally the only our run can just die to RNG, like. That's just how it is. Showing Streamlabs to only record the timer, the timer won't show up on screen. You need to create a new source on Streamlabs, and then you have to just capture the window that the splits are, or the timer is. So you make a new source, and then window capture the timer. Please, God. Please. Please! Please! No, come on. Please. Oh, thank God. Thank God, dude. Jesus. If that didn't happen, I was gonna be so upset. My 2635 run would have been deleted in an instant. Wait. Nah, it doesn't. Who cares? But for the record, I could have sold my items. Ah, fuck. Such a bad. That's actually so bad. It's alright, it's alright. Why did I get that? That does not matter. Oops. Okay, so I need to get my Iron Shackle back, I think, or something, I don't know. Maybe we get the Iron Shackle? I don't know why we would. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to steal Noelle's silver watch whenever I put on the Thorn Ring, so that I can... Wait, could you do this? I just realized. I don't know if you could do this if you hit all crits. If you took the Ragger. Whatever, who cares? But so basically, I'm gonna take the silver watch off of Noelle when I put on the Thorn Ring. You know what? Who cares? It doesn't matter. I'm not gonna do that. Okay, look, it doesn't matter. Okay, it's imperative to not do a glitch here. You do the first wrong warp, I think it would be fine. Or car destruction avoided. I mean, okay, so what I would do is if I accidentally did a wrong warp, I would walk back out of the room and then walk back in. Because then I don't know how you would say I like was getting an advantage, right? Started the timer with some segments. Now the time of the segments lasts there. How do I reset them? You can right click on and then edit splits, and then at the very bottom left, I think it says other or time or something. You can click it and then you can click clear times. But yeah, if I accidentally did the wrong warp thing, I would walk out of the room and then walk back in. Yeah, the first wrong warp doesn't save time, but I mean, just on principle, I would walk out of the room. That's my catch-all if I ever accidentally wrong warp in a run. The hell? May or may not do a speedrun later. No problem, no problem. More speedrunners is always a good thing. If you have any questions, you can join our Discord and ask for help. And Hard, do you know if we can 8 turn with the Iron Shackle? Like, is that a thing that exists? You can? Okay, I need to take the Iron... Okay, I need to take the wristwatch off then. Is it like crit and then all X slashes? Like what's the thing here? How did I maintain speed there? That was so weird looking. Just got whooped, bro. Holy moly. Ah. This would be a gold for this split if I was on regular glitchless. That's kind of funny. Okay, I'm going to extract your item. So your silver watch is mine. Mash attack and just X slash. Okay, exit heart 1 with 44%. I'll do my best. Thank you for the follow, whoever just followed. Whoa. Welcome. I don't even know what sound that is. What? I don't know what you just did, but it was something. It's a host. Thank you. She leaves the first heart with 44%? What? Wait, that's actually ridiculous. That is a lot of stalling. Okay, I need to, like, play very well there. Is it really not worth the frames to just crit? Destroyed, dude. Yeah, I'm doing just crit for the extra TP. Like this game, now I can't stop thinking about Spamton. That's the classic folly. That happens to us all. He's a good character. He's gonna show up here, so no shortage of Spamton. I really need to make the host sound a little bit more recognizable. It's kind of just like a little jingle right now. Ouch. It's a little bit of planning. Classic folly. Described by Greek philosophers. The big shot guy. The guy who takes a ride around town on his Congadero. Yes, I do mean him. I can't believe the merch confirmed what Congadero was. That's actually crazy. But was it? Congadero is the red car that he's in on the poster? But yeah, the Congadero is the car model. Like Spanton, but I prefer Berdly. Berdly is good. Underappreciated character. But maybe overappreciated now, because he kind of has this Sans thing going on, right? Where it's like, he's like the last defender or whatever. So now people kind of overrate it when they used to underrate it. Dude, I am getting destroyed. But yeah, the Congadero being the car is top 10 craziest twists. Yeah, he's definitely on the victim vibe. You're not wrong. Because before he was like, oh, you know, the public, like, haha, was whatever, is like some funny menuing happening. Everyone keeps saying he's bad, but not for the best reasons. Magic maker. That was the big shot guy? Wait a minute. Have you ever played this this route? It might be a little bit of spoiler, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I was like, no, yeah, this is it's a little bit of a different approach to the game. So you might not have seen this in your playthrough, in which case you might want to avoid the spoilers. No, I'm not denying you played the game, but you know, this one is a little bit different, I think, than what you might have experienced. Yeah, you may have spoiled yourself ever so slightly on something interesting. Yeah, but that was Spamton in the trash can. We're gonna see him again, so. What's alright? It happens. What the freak? You freezed Berdly? Indeed. We're going on a little bit of a psychopathic rampage. That was a close one. I almost just got mouse wheeled. Do not do the Peepus despawn glitch. Why is the face of Spamton? You'll see. You won't have to wait long, trust me. He's a very enigmatic individual. He likes to show his face a lot. Literally. Hello. Search for it on Google. Does that make sense? Hello. Welcome. Some random boy. 3343. Yeah, Spamton Neo is correct. I need to— oh my god, I almost missed this. I need to take the Iron Shackle off of Susie. Tell me I didn't have to do an impossible pattern to dodge these? Maybe, maybe not. Balls? I think calling them balls is worse than calling them Peepus. Hey, Susie, give me this. Okay, we're gonna learn a new strat on the house. What font do I add to Streamlabs? I'm not sure what that means. Well, the pattern we use to ignore the Peepus room is actually— it's pixel perfect. It's actually sub-pixel perfect. You have to run against the wall and then walk to the left for exactly 1 frame. Want to buy it. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to— you can do a sub 1 hour? I don't think so. This is glitchless, so we can't do the sub 1 hour. I think that's it's already too late. But maybe. Let me actually do some math here. Actually, it kind of looks maybe possible. I'll reevaluate. What fonts do I add to Streamlabs? I'm not totally sure what that means. Well, no, Snowgrave can go 1 hour. Whoops. Okay, so hold on. Spamton is 220. No, this can't be 1 hour. Sub 1 hour. All right. We're trying out the new 8-turn technology. Widget record thing. Okay, so he mashed attack, but I'm just gonna— no, actually I should mash just in case. Okay. Dude, what? Is this saving time? Who knows? that's not good. Just do not get hit. Ha ha ha. Hey, we did it. Glitchless, eh? Look, I would say that it's a glitch if it didn't do something. It makes him angry, so it's an intended feature. We can sub hour? It's possible. No, it's definitely not possible, actually. Okay, so I did technically save time. Yeah, no, it's not possible. Record game is a thing to put on Streamlabs? I think you use window capture. Sorry about the not being able to respond there. So yeah, this is gonna be 101. Imagine if Sans in there. Yeah, I would before I would have considered it a glitch, but they added in the variable funny cheat, and then they made him get angry and his attacks be harder. So yeah, this is looks like 101.29. I don't know what the record is on this category. Yeah, the funny cheat being added is when it was only in the game as funny cheat and then it didn't even get mad. That's actually peak. That was the best patch. No, trust me on this one. It's 101.29. Records 101? I see. SRC, it's 102. Well, that's a bit disappointing, because if I did a bunch of stuff differently, it would have been a lot better. Like, I ran into, the smorgasbord. That's actually what took most effort. I think that was the only skip I missed, to be honest, which is kind of sad. So yeah, and I did save time from 8 turn, but I got hit, so I couldn't play super dangerous. F4 is what full screens Deltarune, but you can't do it in the chapter select screen for some reason. I'll have to ask Shay, because I assume that's who has the record, what his all chapters any % glitchless is. He streams or something. Alt enter? I think, oh yeah, that's true, I forgot, that's like a, this is not a 59:30, guys. What are you talking about? There's like 2 minutes left of the game. Dude, it's sub hour, guys. It's sub hour. No. This is glitchless. By the way, yeah, this run is incredible. If this isn't world record, I have like newfound respect for this category, because if Shay has a run that's better than this, I am very impressed. No, Shay. There's no way Shay has a 5930 glitchless. I actually refuse to believe that. His glitch time is 59:33. There's no way. I refuse to believe. Okay. Like what? 59:30 glitchless is like Shay has transcended Deltarune speedrunning. I don't. That's like actually impossible. You know, Shay is good, but I don't know about that. 101.28. This run is really, really good. Like, I could have not run into Smorgasbord, and that's it. That's literally the only mistake in this entire run. I hit head hacky skip, I hit everything. Like, literally look at this chapter 1 time. This is 26:35. That's ridiculous. Let's see, what's the chapter 2? What was my Snowgrave time? It looks like 34:15. So that is pretty good. Like, this is a great run, actually. I'm glad this was my last heart. The 20 out of 20. Top 4 in every category. At the same time. Let's go. Put a lot of effort into this. There's a lot of runs. So that feels good. But yeah, this run is very, very good. Like I actually did like everything optimally, even except for just like the smorgasbord and then the menuing and the DJ shop, because I was a little bit confused. Other than that, like, I can't even think of something I missed. And I walked back into the DJ shop, so that's like, what, 4 seconds I could have saved as well. I'm not sure if the 1 hour time, like the 100x, is possible. It might be. Maybe if you're Enhar in chapter 1. Wait, I wonder how much time chapter 1 loses. Enhar, how much? I think you timed this, right? How much time do you lose just from playing on the new demo instead of the old one in chapter 1? It might be PC dependent, actually. I wonder if that's true. That would actually suck if that's true. I've been timed Castle and King. I see. Losing like 6 seconds?